Hey guys, I'm back with another unboxing. This is actually a Magnus unboxing, but I got it secondhand. I actually thought I was done with my Magnus collection. I've got my copper toad, although he just came out with that 3-click toad, so I'm like, might have to add that. I've got, so the toad I have it's got the zirconium plates, and then I've got a titanium dimple with black Teflon plates, and this actually was modified to have weaker magnets. And then here I've got a titanium peak with a sandwich in there, and it's got half Teflon, half Zirc. That was a custom thing from Sean. Okay, but this, I originally had a Robo. Oh man, hold on. Originally had a Robo, and I had it in titanium with Teflon plates, and I really liked it, but I sold it. But then I saw somebody selling a copper Robo. What is this? I don't actually know what that is. Oh. Dude, he threw this in for me. That was really nice of him. This is one of those things. It's like a flip it. You've got to do it a certain way. I never really knew how to do this too well. Alright, well, thank you. This thing's awesome. Okay. Oh, so I bought this off of him. And this is a Robo, but it's in copper, and it's got the zirconium plates. I'm not sure which one I like better, zirconium or Teflon, but I've heard that the sweet spot is actually half and half. Right here. So, yeah. Okay. Oh. Wow. God, look at that. Okay. Oh, yeah. Fuck. That's the problem with the strong magnets. Pinches. I might have to put the weaker magnets up in this thing. Now, which do I like better? Ow, this thing is... It just hurts. I don't know. I thought I remembered the Robo feeling a lot better. I might have to sell this thing. See, I've got the regular magnets in this, and the zirconium plates. Huh. It's heavy too. See, this I don't have any problems with it pinching me. I wonder if I'd have problems with the new toad pinching me. I'm gonna have to play with this a little bit, but yeah. Maybe if I put the weaker magnets in, I'll enjoy it. But there she is. It's also kind of like scratched up and beat up a little bit. These are the chances you take when you go buy something secondhand. But I mean, overall, it's in decent shape, but this thing pinches. Look at my hand. Dude, my dog is on the fucking table. Oh my God. Yeah, I'll have to report back, but I'm not in love. Well, anyways, you can spin it though. Woo! Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Have a great day. Whoa. Okay, I've got an update video. I swapped these. I put the weak magnets with the Teflon plates on the Robo, and then I put the strong magnets with the Zerk plates on the dimple. Now, the main difference is that the way that the dimple is designed is it doesn't really catch your finger. Whereas this, do you see the gaps in there? But with the weak magnets and the Teflon, you don't have to worry about that because it's not as snappy. This could still snag your hand, but it's less likely. So now that I've put the weaker magnets and the Teflon, I'm good with it now, yes. So I shall keep it. This one, I'm going to sell. Now, it is a really, 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 really good slider, but I don't know. I want to get the Toad. But this is freaking awesome, and I love the design that you don't have to worry about getting your skin snagged on it. So anyway, it was the sliding plates and the magnet strength that I didn't like. This actual design is beautiful.